Question number 8. This question is about heat stain curve. So look at the diagram. First of all, remember the horizontal line is change of state, and they're related to the specific latent heat. The longer the horizontal line, the larger the specific latent heat. So this latent heat, LV, is larger than LF. Also, the inclined line is the temperature rising time. The steeper the slope, the faster the temperature rise, and on the other hand, the smaller the specific heat capacity. So the specific capacity in the solid state is smaller than that in the liquid state. So the answer is A. Thank you.